It's here. Spectrachrome has perfected the spray-on chrome process. The custom coating world has never looked so good. Our customers are making huge profits spraying colors of chrome over everything. Prosper in new markets that never existed before. Watch this video. We'll show you how easy it is to apply. Don't believe the naysayers. Over 10 years of engineering and development has produced a coating performance that will blow you away. Check out Spectrachrome's super adhesion and total flexibility over vinyl and bendable plastics. Try that with any other chrome product. Still not convinced? Attend our free hands-on training classes in Florida or California, and we'll prove it to you before you buy. You'll be taught the correct application from experts that spray this coating every day. Our customers are making a huge impact in the world of custom finishing. Go to our website and order your samples coated with the Spectrachrome finish. We invite you to see and test the quality of the Spectrachrome finish for yourself. Be sure to get the all-new marketing support package loaded with full-color high-res 6x9 postcards, along with our amazing high-definition Blu-ray quality disc. It has never been easier to wow your new customers and capture their business with ease. Please discover here today the hottest new high-profit finishing technology. Spectrachrome has perfected a revolutionary new spray-on chrome process. Now it's easy to apply a brilliant chrome-like mirror finish over almost any surface. This unique finish is actually a layer of real silver metal deposited between two layers of paint. The silver mist builds up on the base-coated part to a perfect mirror shine and then is rinsed with deionized water. After the part is blown dry with compressed air, it is ready for our ultra-durable top coat clear. The top coat can be tinted to look exactly like chrome, gold, copper, or any shade of the spectrum. A chrome finish is always popular, but spraying colors of chrome really gets people excited. Spectrachrome makes it possible so that anyone's favorite color can now be chrome. A few years ago, Spectrachrome partnered up with monster truck legend Dennis Anderson to design and build this extreme mud truck Dennis calls King Sling.
But I think that thing is so wicked, that is so me. Yes, we are going to make this happen. There it is. Spectrachrome presents King Sling, Dennis Anderson.
Two trucks, one to shine and one to grind.
Get back!
Spectrachrome takes the King Sling Shine Truck to a Spectrachrome and Dennis Anderling, the choice is clear.
Hey, we're here at Hogweiler today, man. It's a big Thanksgiving weekend, and I told these folks when I was here last year, when I come back this year, I'm going to have two trucks. I'm going to have one to shine and one to grind, and that's what we did, man. It's happening right here. We got the new 3D King Sling. This is the shine truck, and then over here on the left-hand side, we got the money broke up. That's the grind truck right there, baby. That's what we get the job done with. What I love about the shine truck is load covering solutions. Look at this shiny baby right here. It left the shop, it never got a speck of dirt on it. You bring it in and you unveil it. And what a beautiful sight when you see it. The thing doesn't have a piece of dust on it. This thing has got a wingspan of 101 inches. But you know what? With the load covering solutions, we don't have to worry about tarping or taking the big tires off. You just pull this baby back and it looks like a hard side trailer. This thing is awesome, man. Load covering solutions. I'm gonna tell you, I'm so glad that I met these guys. This is the best thing that's happened to my mud crew so far.
Call your Spectrachrome representative today.